In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a pop-up or a lightbox on your Wix website. This feature can be a great way to engage your website visitors. Whether you want to welcome them with a special message, ask them to subscribe to your newsletter, promote a product, or even collect contact information. To get started, let's head over to the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the Add Elements panel. This is your gateway to a variety of widgets and tools that you can incorporate into your site. By clicking on Add Elements, you'll open up a menu with different options, and from here, you'll want to click on Interactive. Within the interactive menu, you'll find the Lightboxes option. Lightboxes are the templates that Wix provides for creating pop-ups. Click on Lightboxes and you'll be presented with a range of design options such as welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact. For this demonstration, we'll choose the promotion template. This will provide us with a professionally designed pop-up ready for customization. Once you've selected your Lightbox template, it's time to tailor it to suit your needs. Click on the Lightbox to access its settings. From here, you can preview what your Lightbox looks like to see the initial configuration. You'll notice that customizing your Lightbox is a straightforward process. You can easily drag its edges to resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly into your website's aesthetic. Additionally, you can edit the text content to convey your specific message, whether that's about a special offer or a welcome note. For further customization, explore the other menus available with your Lightbox selected. Under these settings, find the Set Triggers option. Here, you can define when your Lightbox will appear to visitors, whether it's immediately upon landing on the page, after a certain delay, or based on user interaction. You can also rename your Lightbox to keep your editor organized. Next, let's enhance the visual appeal by adjusting the layout. The layout option allows you to position your Lightbox precisely where you want it on the page. For more detailed styling, click on Design. This is where you can modify the background, change colors, or add images to ensure your Lightbox aligns with your site's branding. Finally, elevate your Lightbox with the Animation and Effects menu. Adding animation can make your pop-up more engaging and less intrusive, capturing user attention just at the right moment. Once your customization is complete, preview your Lightbox by clicking on Preview. This allows you to experience the interaction as a user would, ensuring everything looks and works as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pop-up or Lightbox to your Wix website. Feel free to tweak these settings until you achieve the perfect user experience.